So we have already seen the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4, but now we have the whole Z Flip 4 specs and more. So here are the leaked specs of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. As you can see, the main display of the foldable will remain 6.7 inch with 120Hz refresh rate, just like its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 or the current model. But just like the past rumors, the cover display is getting slightly bigger at 2.1 inches from 1.9 inches. Is that a huge improvement? Probably no. I want the bigger one like the Moto Razr one, but okay, fine. As for the processor, we have already heard that it will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 manufactured by TSMC, which will be quite a bit faster than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, plus it will be much more efficient according to Qualcomm. Now, as for the RAM and storage, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have 8GB of RAM and 128GB of base storage option. You will be able to upgrade it to 256GB if you want. Now, as for the cameras, judging by the specs, there won't be any upgrade of the sensor. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 will reportedly support the same 12MP main, 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera configuration, just like the current model, and a 10MP front-facing camera in a punch hole cutout. That's it. It's the same thing. The improvements would be in software. As for the battery, we have heard from early leaks that it will get an improvement to 3700 mAh battery, which is going to be quite a bit big of an improvement if you look at the current model's battery life. The current and the past models of the Galaxy Z Flip range port the same 3300 mAh battery. So this year we're going to get a big upgrade, even though the rated capacity is 3595 mAh battery, which is a typical thing, and it will support up to 25W fast charging and 10W wireless charging support. Now, here are the other things. In a tweet, iStudios clarified that the crease of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is much shallower than that of the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and he also said that the most people will be satisfied with this improvement, and that means it will be not as visible or as deep so that you can feel. Believe it or not, many other companies have managed to introduce foldable phones with almost no crease. For example, the display of the Oppo Find N and Huawei's latest Fold appears completely flat when unfolded, thanks to a unique mechanism behind its hinge. And that's why it's somewhat disappointing to see Samsung, the leader of the foldable smartphone market, still can't make a foldable display without a deep crease. But if you look at it differently, even with such a deep crease, Galaxy Z Flip 3 is still one of the most popular foldable smartphones in the market. If Samsung improves it even a bit more, it will be like cherry on top, because overall the experience of a Samsung Galaxy Foldable is far more better than any other brands. Now, iStudios on Twitter recently showed us a new case of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4. And from the images it's visible, and also he said, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be seeing a massive reduction in the size of its hinge mechanism, just like the Fold 4. And if you don't know, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be quite a bit wider and thicker than the Galaxy Z Flip 3. That is because of the aspect ratio changes. Now, this one is coming alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August, which also has reportedly entered mass production in June 1st. So yeah, that's about it. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.